हेलो नमस्कार आदाब, मेरा नाम है आरजे राज एंड यू आर वाचिंग राज की बात एमएसएमई, जहां पर राज की बात एमएसएमई में हम नए एवेन्यूज़, नए बिजनेसेस और बिजनेसेस करने के तरीके को लोगों तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट नागपुर शहर में शुरू होने जा रहा है जो नागपुर के लिए एक तरीके की सौगात है। आज उसका इनॉग्रेशन था और लेक्सिकॉन सेंटर ऑफ एमएसएमई एक्सेलेंस की शुरुआत नागपुर शहर में हुई है एंड वी आर सो ऑनर्ड। नागपुर सिटी के लिए ये बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि लेक्सिकॉन जैसे ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने अपने पहले एमएसएमई सेंटर ऑफ एक्सेलेंस की शुरुआत नागपुर शहर से की है। और आज बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ इस वक्त हैं सीईओ ऑफ लेक्सिकॉन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस मिस्टर नासिर शेख। Sir, welcome to Raj Ki Baat again.
Namaste and thank you for having me back.
Sir, it's a big day. It's a launch day. How excited you are? Already the launch has been done. People, सब तक आपका जो message है वो पहुंच चुका है. People have welcomed it so well. How do you feel?
Feels amazing. It feels so great to be welcomed like this. And the important part is there's so much synergy in terms of what we want to do and what the guests want. So there's a lot of synergy. So very, very exciting and really looking forward to the journey in Nagpur.
So when you started this, there was a panel of panelists where there were expertise into different areas of businesses and MSME. So किस चीज़ की एक नई कल्पना या संकल्पना ध्यान में आती है? क्या सोचकर लेक्सिकॉन ने नागपुर को चुना और इसकी शुरुआत कैसे हुई?
So Nagpur, because it's the hub. Malab, there's so much of MSME happening. There's so much of the business out here, and there's so much potential. Kal sham ko when we were driving around, one, there is great infrastructure. Two, there is a lot of space. Three, it's extremely affordable still to start a business in Nagpur. Plus, the other thing that I'm made to understand, the ease of doing business in terms of getting permissions is so easy in Nagpur. It's fantastic. So we thought, when we want to do a lexicon center of MSME excellence, let's do the first chapter, which is outside Pune in Nagpur. There's a lot of receptiveness. The citizens of Nagpur, the family of Nagpur wants to do more. They want to contribute more to Maharashtra. They want to contribute more to India. So I think there's just a beautiful setting, and it was a low-hanging fruit, and something that is an opportunity you don't want to miss.
So when you say a Lexicon Management Institute of Leadership and Excellence, what are you looking at? You're looking at people with talent, you're looking at people with that aspiration, you're looking at people who have that foresee, you're looking at people who have that, that power inside them to grow as an individual. What are you looking at?
So the Lexicon Management Institute of Leadership and Excellence, it's all about, your attitude is going to be your altitude. So it's about setting that whole bit of belief in yourself. So we're looking at people who've got the attitude, who want to believe in themselves and then harness and tap their true potential. Skills, knowledge, all that can be learned over a period of time. But that attitude and that fact of believing in yourself and the want to believe in yourself is something that we look for it. And the moment we find that, that's where the synergy happens.
So your Q&A session was one of the longest Q&A sessions. There were so many questions from the people. Was it somewhere disappointing also? Why are they asking me so many questions?
In fact, I love the fact that there are more questions, because the more the questions are, the more that you know that you've made an impact on the audience.
True.
Because they want to know more about the subject. They want to know more what they're talking about. Unfortunately, time was of the essence, and there was a limitation on time. Now, I would be happy to answer, and that's the reason I said, reach out to me after that. And that's what we also need to inculcate in children. Growing up is a curious mindset. I said that during the panel discussion also. My mom and dad used to tell me, Nasir, if you have a question, ask it. What's the worst answer? The worst answer is no. Nobody's going to hold you accountable or kill you for that. So ask your questions. There's nothing called a stupid question. Ask your questions, gain the knowledge, because by asking, you're starting the first step of learning. So I was really, really happy that we had so many questions today.
So Center of MSME Excellence, criteria क्या है? कैसे लोग join करें इसको?
So अगर आपके पास MSME है, अगर आपके पास एक business है, and you want to grow it, you want to understand how you can make it better, that's how you need to reach out to us. We will work with you. We understand your vision.
One more thing. अब क्योंकि ये पूरा की पूरी शुरुआत आपने नागपुर शहर से करी. क्या लेक्सिकॉन सेंटर ऑफ MSME एक्सेलेंस हैज़ जस्ट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम नागपुर एंड नाउ यू विल एक्सपैंड योर सेंटर ऑफ एक्सेलेंसेज ऑफ MSME एक्सेलेंसेज इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र?
So the goal is to take Lexicon Center of MSME Excellence pan India. So first was home Pune where it started. Our first chapter outside Pune is in Nagpur. Our vision and our goal and our dream is to be all around India and make a difference and contribute to Atmanirbhar Bharat.
So one thing you would like to say to all the youngsters and all the women out there, the women entrepreneur, how to join Center of MSME Excellence when it comes to Lexicon?
So I think it's right here. It's believe in yourself. So you've got it right here and you've got it there too. Just believe in yourself. You've got us. We will stand by you. But more importantly, have that belief, because that is something that will define everything. And if you have the passion, let's join hands, work together, and grow together.
So, for the local center, for the Nagpur center, which is the venue which has been finalized? Would just like to know that.
So we are still working on deciding the office and getting that thing done. We should have that done in the next 4 to 6 weeks. And Raj will be the first to know when we are ready with it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time and thank you for giving Nagpur the opportunity to start with this, because I'm sure वो कहते हैं ना कि इस देश के दिल से आप शुरू करेंगे तो देश के दिल पे आप राज करेंगे. आपने अपना वक्त दिया, आपने हमसे बात करी, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
विद अ लॉट ऑफ वो कहते हैं ना उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम, और उम्मीद लेकर जब कोई हमारे शहर पे विश्वास करता है, नागपुर शहर के लोगों पे विश्वास करता है, तो ये बहुत सराहनीय है. बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब आके आपको कोई कहता है ना आपके कंधे पे हाथ रख के कि वी आर देयर विथ यू. कितनी राहत महसूस होती है. अब नागपुर के वो व्यापारी जो एक नया बिजनेस प्लान कर रहे हैं, नागपुर के वो युवा जो अपने आप को नौकर नहीं बनाना चाहते, वो नौकर कहते हैं ना, नौकर नो, मालिक बन. तो अगर आप अपने आप को एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाना चाहते हैं, एक मालिक बनाना चाहते हैं, एक बिजनेस एक बिजनेसमैन बनाना चाहते हैं, लेडीज़ जो अपने आप को एक बिजनेस लेडी बनाना चाहती हैं, फीमेल विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर बनाना चाहती हैं, राह नहीं दिख रही है, ज्ञान ज़रूरी है. ज्ञान कहाँ मिलेगा? लेक्सिकॉन सेंटर ऑफ MSME एक्सेलेंस में. आइए, उसका हिस्सा बनिए, सीखिए कि कैसे करना है. कोई अगर हाथ दे रहा है उसे हाथ को पकड़िए और फिर रास्ते पे चलिए, क्योंकि व्यापार करना आग पे चलने से बराबर जैसा है. लेकिन अगर कोई आपका हाथ पकड़ ले तो वो आग फूल में बदल जाती है. उम्मीद है ये बात आपके समझ में आ रही होगी. शाम को फिर मिलेंगे ऑन राज की बात. तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें, परिवार के साथ एक खूबसूरत वक्त बिताएं. और अगर एक नया बिजनेस शुरू करने वाले हैं तो उसके पहले लेक्सिकॉन सेंटर ऑफ MSME एक्सेलेंस से पूरा का पूरा ज्ञान लें और फिर आगे बढ़ें, क्योंकि जिसके पास ज्ञान है उसके पास भगवान है. जिंदा रहें. जय हिंद.